Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Doctor's World. In this video, we will discuss macrolides. Macrolides are antibiotics. Antibiotics. The examples of macrolides are azithromycin, erythromycin, and clarithromycin. So, let's begin. These are large cyclic lactone ring structures with attached sugar. The drugs have good bioavailability. These have good bioavailability after oral absorption. So these are given orally. So these drugs are given orally and have good bioavailability. The macrolides are distributed after entrance into the blood is well distributed to tissues. Tissue penetration for these drugs is good, and the drugs are metabolized in the liver. These are metabolized by the liver and excreted through the kidneys, except erythromycin, that is also excreted through the bile. It is also excreted through the bile. Now we will discuss their mechanism of action. These drugs bind to the 50S ribosomal subunit and prevent the transpeptidation reaction. Transpeptidation reaction is prevented. And in this way, these macrolides inhibit the protein synthesis in bacteria, and therefore it helps in antibacterial activity. The uses of macrolides include infections caused by. Now we will discuss uses. Uses are infections caused by chlamydia, mycoplasma, Legionella pneumophila, Mycobacterium avium complex, and toxoplasmosis, against Bordetella pertussis against resistant gram-positive cocci and clarithromycin is also used against the H. pylori infections with the other drug combinations. Furthermore, macrolides can also be used to treat infections caused by mycoplasma, infections caused by mycoplasma, infections caused by ureaplasma, urealyticum, ureaplasma, urealyticum, and also against infections caused by Campylobacter jejuni. Fidaxomicin is another macrolide and it is used to treat the Clostridium difficile infections. What are the adverse effects of macrolides? The adverse effects of macrolides include toxicities of macrolides include gastrointestinal irritation, GIT irritation, especially with the erythromycin. Furthermore, skin rashes and eosinophilia can also occur. Skin rashes and eosinophilia can also occur mainly with erythromycin. Other adverse effects are hypersensitivity based acute cholestatic hepatitis with erythromycin stolate. With erythromycin stolate, with erythromycin stolate, what can occur? Cholestatic hepatitis, acute cholestatic hepatitis. Other adverse effects of these drugs are this erythromycin also inhibits the cytochrome P450 enzymes and therefore increase the plasma levels of other drugs. Inhibit the cytochrome P450 enzymes and therefore inhibit the metabolism of other drugs and their levels in the blood are increased. Similar drug interactions can also be seen with the clarithromycin, but mostly are seen with erythromycin. Drug interactions with azithromycin are uncommon. So this is all about the macrolides. Thank you for watching.